The Enforcement Directorate team that has recently raided AAP MLA Khan's residence situated in Okhla of the national capital. They reached there at 6:15 a.m. today but were not let in immediately. As per the information, we are getting to know that there was a confrontation between the two parties at around finally 8 a.m. The ED officials were allowed to enter the residence. While as the ED officials entered the residence, we have seen how the AAP MLA Amanatullah Khan has taken it to social media to announce the arrival of the ED and trying to implicate him in the fraud case over the irregularities in the Waqf Board case, and how he said that if at all anything happens to his mother-in-law who is suffering from cancer and if she passes away, ED will be responsible. There, a big statement coming from AAP MLA Amanatullah Khan. The Central Investigation Agency ED has reached the Okhla MLA Amanatullah Khan's house to investigate the money laundering case. According to the information we have, the matter may be related to the Waqf Board. ED says that when Amanatullah Khan was the chairman of the Waqf Board, he illegally appointed 32 persons in the violation of the rules and government guidelines set during his tenure. According to the sources, Amanatullah Khan is also accused of illegally renting out several properties of Delhi Waqf Board. Along with this, the MLA has also been accused of misusing the money of the Waqf Board. Meanwhile, he has said that if his mother-in-law dies, then that would be ED's responsibility. The agency has named 5 people in its prosecution complaint.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। देखिए, इस वक्त जो है 7 बजे हैं और ईडी वाले मेरे घर पे सर्च वारंट के नाम पर मुझे अरेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। मेरी मदर इन लॉ, उनको कैंसर है, अभी 4 दिन पहले उनका ऑपरेशन हुआ है, वो भी मेरे घर पर हैं और मैंने इनको लिखा भी था और हर नोटिस का जवाब मैंने इनको दिया। जब ये मुझे नोटिस कर रहे हैं तो सर्च वारंट के नाम पर सिर्फ।
All right, viewers. Meanwhile, Congress Joint Secretary Sushant Mishra has slammed the ED and has said that it is being misused. Let's listen in to what he has said.
गलत है, चाहे वो कोई मीडिया के कहीं पर भी किसी भी एजेंसी का दुरुपयोग करना गलत है। चाहे वो कोई मीडिया की एजेंसी हो, चाहे कोई प्रशासनिक एजेंसी हो, उसका दुरुपयोग करना बिल्कुल गलत है। किसी भी गलत मंशा से उसका दुरुपयोग करना गलत है। अगर सही कार्य के लिए किया जा रहा है तो शुरुआत से एजेंसीज बनाई गई थी अच्छा कार्य करने के लिए, पर आपने देखा बहुत जगह पे उसका दुरुपयोग कर रहे हैं। मुझे पता नहीं है क्या मसला है उनका और क्या वो लोग रेड कर रहे हैं और उसमें क्या मामला है, लेकिन अगर वो मंशा गलत है, राजनीतिक रूप से प्रभावित है, तो ये बहुत गलत कार्य है।
All right, viewers. Meanwhile, my colleague has filed a ground report from Amanatullah Khan's residence this morning. Let's take a close look on what happened as the ED reached the residence of Amanatullah Khan, who has also claimed that if his mother-in-law dies, it is going to be the responsibility of the Enforcement Directorate. Let's take a close look.
Central Investigations Team ED has reached Amanatullah Khan's residence around 6:15. There was a confrontation for around 2 hours between both the ED and the MLA. Yes, even though definitely they did not Amanatullah Khan did not let the ED enter for 2 hours. There was a confrontation where Amanatullah Khan was inside the house and the ED official was outside the hall. And just at around 8:15, finally, yes, the ED team has reached his house. Now, if I show you the visuals, this is the place that we're talking about, where yes, his house is being raided by the ED team to investigate the money laundering case, and even according to the information also, the matter may be related to Waqf Board. Now, ED will formally clarify in a short while also, and ED has accused MLA Amanatullah Khan that when Amanatullah Khan was the chairman of the Waqf Board, he illegally appointed 32 persons in violation of the rules and government guidelines set during his tenure. And if sources are to be believed also, he is also accused of illegally renting out several properties of Delhi Waqf Board. Along with this, the MLA has also been accused of misusing the money of Delhi Waqf Board. And right now also there have been, if we show the visuals, this is the very place. You can see the officials are also deployed. The paramilitary forces are also deployed here. Also, if we pan the camera around and show you that here the Delhi police officials are also stationed at. So definitely The ED has raided their place at around his place at around 6:15. Now he stays at the first floor of the building. If you show you the very location, also this is the very place. And even Amanatullah Khan has given a statement also that ED has come to his residence to arrest him. And his mother-in-law has also been diagnosed with cancer, and she had an operation 4 days ago, and she's at his place. And they have also written to ED, and they have even replied to the notice and says that the ED and the BJP has come to arrest them. And also the agency has named 5 people in the prosecution complaint, where 3 alleged associates of Khan, that is Ishar Haider, Daud Nasir and Javed Imam Siddiqui. And ED had already earlier conducted raids on the premise of the legislature also. But yes, the most important thing is that where we are standing, this is the very location. You can see officials. That is the very first floor where Amanatullah Khan stays. There was an encounter, there was a conversation between both the ED officials and Amanatullah Khan in the first 2 hours, where Amanatullah Khan, who is the MLA, did not let ED officials come in his place. And even the Aam Aadmi Party, you talk about Sanjay Singh, you talk about Manish Sisodia, everyone is blaming the BJP for allegedly accusing Amanatullah Khan. Even Amanatullah Khan gave a statement also saying that he has been wrongly accused, and he said that he has been serving the people and he has been honest, and this is what he gets for being honest and for serving the people. And BJP is trying to arrest him, and he says that his mother-in-law has been diagnosed with cancer, and he says that in spite of that also the ED is coming, and he has also written a notice to ED also, he has written a letter to ED also. So definitely there's a lot of development that is happening here, but it will be very important to see what ED says in a while, because ED is still yet to formally talk about that what are the charges. But yes, for now we can say it is because of the Waqf Board and also the money laundering case against him. This is me, Brian Anthony Thomas, signing over with camera person Ankush for NewsX Delhi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.